tank A and tank B are cubical tanks. Tank A has a length of 30 centimeters. So tank A is completely filled with water and tank B is empty. After 2/5 of the water from tank A is poured into tank B, the ratio of the height of the water in tank A to that of tank B is 8:3. So find the amount of water poured from tank A to tank B. Okay, so since one side and they are cubical, so this is 30 centimeters, and then this is also 30 centimeters. Okay, right, so pretty straightforward. So what we can do is, so tank A capacity or volume, right, volume lah, is equal to 30 times length times breadth times height. Okay, which is equal to 30 times 30 times 30. Okay, so in this case 30 times 30 times 30 is 27,000 centimeter cube. Okay, and the amount poured after 2/5, so 2/5 poured is equal to 2/5 times 27,000. Okay, and this is equal to, so times 2 out of 5. Okay, 10,800. 10,800 centimeter cube in this case over here. Right, so there you go. That's the answer. 10,800 centimeter cube. They didn't say they want liters or milliliters. Okay, next one. Find the length of tank B. Right, so the ratio of the height is 8:3 when we pour out, right? So we can get the base area. So tank A base area is equal is equal to 30 times 30, which is 900 centimeter square. What we want to get the base area is to get the height is equal to volume divided by base area. Okay, so we're looking for the height of the tank A when it's 2/5 pot, because we get the ratio right over here. So this is the ratio of the height. Okay, so for this, what we can do is the height of tank A is equal to, in this case, actually, yeah, yeah. uh, for height of tank A, height of 2/5 tank, 2/5 pod, right? After tank A pod, the height is, after 2/5 is poured, height of tank A is actually just 3/5. Okay, okay, but essentially the volume, right? 2/5 is poured, so we have 27,000 minus 10,080,000. Okay, 800, and then divided by base area is 900. Okay, so I can tell you that the answer is probably 2/5, 3/5, 9, 5, 6, 18 lah. Okay, but let's do this calculation. So do here 27 1 2 3 minus 10 0 8 0 0 16 200, and then we divide it by 900, so it's 18 centimeters. So we know that tank A of tank B tank A is 8, tank B is 3. So tank A is to tank B is 8:3. 8:3. So I see over here. All right, so that means if 8 units is equal to 18, then 3 units is equal to 18 divided by, divided by 8 times 3. So divided by 8 times 3, 6.75 centimeter square. Okay, so that's tank B, what do you call this, height, right, over here. Okay, so now the next thing is that since we know the height, we can also know the base area. Okay, so base area is equal to volume divided by height, and then length is equal to roots of base area. Square base area. So that's how we get the length for tank B. Okay, so for the base area, so base tank B base area is equal to the volume. So we know the volume that's being poured out is 10,800, and then we divide it by 6.75. Right. So okay, that will become, so 10,800 divided by 6.75. This will then become 1600 centimeter square, right? Yes. Okay, then length, tank B length will then become square root of 1600, okay, which is 40 lah, right? You go, where's the square root? Scientific. So you do the square root, and this will become 40 centimeter. So the answer to this is 40 centimeter. Okay, there you go. That's the answer.